Greetings, traders. It is I, Abdul Shabazz. This is November the 29th, end of day, where the trades were. And of course, the most famous trade of the day. Now, coming into this morning, we had a huge gap up. A huge gap up. Pre-market, this thing was trending up very strong. Okay, it's trending up very strong pre-market, which led right into the market open. Now, just to show you a little bit about what I was referring to pre-market, I'm gonna bring in a little bit of the line chart right here. You can see it at this 456. Okay, at the 456.2 area, the market found a base from there and slowly started grinding up, continued to grind up, continued to put in higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right until the market opened when we broke over pre-market high and weekly resistance at 457.3 area. So that was your first potential play right there. A beautiful call where you could have made plenty money within that 5-minute candle and gotten out very safely and securely. And we did have team members who did such. Congratulations to you who made money on that. The next trade was the trade of the day, and I missed it. Unfortunately, we had this beautiful small doji shooting star here at the top of an uptrend at resistance. We then had trading beneath it. Not only did I miss it here, but I also missed it here as well when the stock actually began to turn. So I missed it here and I missed this trade here. These were two beautiful puts, 459 puts, another 458 put, beautiful puts, okay? Also, when the stock got to 457, okay, 15 at this area, okay, this was another area you could have added in for another put because it was at this area that the stock actually went red on the day. The stock started off green and it was at this area the stock went red, and we had the very infamous that we've been looking for, anticipating, but I fumbled the bag with the first red day setup. So that was your second trade, possibly third, grabbing this put, whether you got it here, whether you got it in the second candle with a break underneath VWAP, or whether you got it when the stock changed from green to red on the daily chart. All of those were potential moves. The next trade of the day came with a call. I did take this play as the stock based at the 456.2 area. We saw that the bulls started stepping in, buying up the lower prices. We saw that even though coming off of this big downtrend, the stock closed below the 456.2 area, but that was the only candle to do so, as it never again closed underneath it until the 11 o'clock hour. Coming upon that, we saw two nice hammers, a green one and a red one. Stock price trading above these two hammers was another indication. I got in a little early as I saw that we were nowhere near attempting to close anywhere near this support area. Got in for the call, got out a majority of it at the end of the 5-minute candle and was looking for a continuation. We didn't get it, so I got out of all of that position following the end of that 5-minute candle. Then I jumped in a put. We had another great opportunity here with a 457 put as the stock was now breaking, okay, below a very key area. And the beauty of this area, okay, was that we had a lovely continuation coming on down. I didn't see it. I actually thought that we might come back here and base, sticking little toes in the water. So I got in, got out at the end of that 5-minute candle, got in, got out of the rest of my position at the beginning of the following 5-minute candle and missed all of this. Yes, I missed it. But nonetheless, there was a great put opportunity, but I was still 2 for 2 for the day, even though I missed this great put. And I didn't maximize the potential on this put as well. Left everything alone until the end of the day. Once we came back to this 455.2 area, and I got in for a break of demand play. Waited for the break to close underneath, got in on the ensuing 5-minute candle, took that all the way down to this area, 454.4 area. Glad I did, as we had preset support here, and you can see that the stock respected it, touched it, and bounced off of it. Those were the trades of the day, where the trades were. Please join us at 9:25 in the morning as we trade from 9:25 to 11. And before I go, I would like to thank our very first sponsor, which is T-Shirts for Traders. T-Shirts for Traders is our first sponsor. I believe you can see the link to them in the description below. And this is the latest T-shirt that they have out. For those of you who don't know, Charlie Munger died last night, and they have a limited edition Do It Like Munger T-shirt. Just wanted to show that to you. Thank you guys, t-shirtfortraders.co, t-shirtfortraders.co, for sponsoring some Real Change Stock Trading Journey. That is all. See you in the morning. Thanks for coming out. God bless you. And good evening.